हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं निष्ठा और आप सभी का वेलकम है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन। और आज जो मैं बुक आपके लिए लेकर आई हूं वो है डियर स्ट्रेंजर आई नो हाउ यू फील, रिटन बाय आशीष बगरेचा। आशीष बगरेचा इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस इंडियन इंस्टाग्राम पोइट। और ये जो बुक है इसमें इन्होंने 30 लेटर्स लिखे हैं स्ट्रेंजर के लिए, ए जर्नी टू होप एंड हीलिंग। तो आइए देखते हैं इनके 30 लेटर्स कौन से हैं और क्या हैं। उससे पहले इन्होंने अपनी कवर पेज के लास्ट पेज पर डियर स्ट्रेंजर्स के लिए सबसे पहला लेटर लिखा है। आइए तो सबसे पहले वो पढ़ते हैं अपन। डियर स्ट्रेंजर, आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट यू, बट आई डू नो हाउ यू फील. You are feeling lost, lonely, and misunderstood. You are tired of pain and suffering, depression, anxiety, and negativity chase you. You don't know where to find hope and how to heal yourself. Trust me, I have been there myself and I know it's not easy. So I am writing these 30 letters and poems to you to let you know that you are not alone and that you are understood. You are still cared for. I hope we'll read one of these letters every day, and I promise you together we will get through this. Life is difficult, but not if we take it one day at a time. Trust the universe and never give up. Love and light. A stranger who feels you. ये इनकी कवर बुक के लास्ट पेज पे सबसे पहला लेटर है। तो इसमें 30 लेटर्स हैं फॉर 30 डेज। तो अपन एक एक लेटर करके सारे 30 लेटर्स पढ़ेंगे। उससे पहले इसमें एक प्रीफेस दिया हुआ है, तो सबसे पहले वो प्रीफेस पढ़ लेते हैं अपन। तो आइए बुक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आई वॉन्ट टू थैंक यू फॉर चूजिंग टू रीड दिस बुक. It is a passionate expression of my love and understanding for you and everything that you are going through. Thank you for giving me this chance, dear stranger. I hope I can help you in one way or another. I don't know much about you. I don't know where you live, what you do for a living, whether you study or work, whether you are healthy or poorly, whether you have children or are still a child yourself. I do know that you are feeling lost. A feeling I am all too familiar with myself. I don't know the detail of your life and you don't know mine, but I want you to know you are not alone in your feeling. I might not know or understand exactly why you are feeling lost, but I hope you can trust me. And when I say that I have been there, I have experienced what you are going through, and I need you to know that I understand. And that is why I am writing these letters to you to let you know that you are not alone and that you are understood. Your feelings are understood. No matter how difficult feel and how dark it sometimes look, there is still hope and there is still light. And you are still cared for. The universe cares about you. Your loved ones care about you. I care about you. I have been on the other side of the light and I know how dark it can sometimes feel. I have experienced the heart and the low spirits. I have felt the pain and the loneliness. I just wish that when I had felt like that, someone had written me a letter to help me see I am not alone. There was no one, but I want to be that person for you. I have realized that most of us struggle with our mental health as we experience life's lesson and battles, but there is always someone else who is going through something similar. It might not be the same struggle, but the pain can be very like yours. I hope that these letters you can see that you are not alone in your pain and that there are ways to overcome your feelings. It is okay that you can't see them yet, but you will. Writing this letter has given me the opportunity to share my experience with you. Try to read at least one letter every day, and I hope you can begin to find comfort in your time of need. I hope will help you This will help you to open a conversation with your loved ones or to write down your own experiences and feelings. There are so many ways to express yourself. Choose something that makes you comfortable. Don't give up hope yet. I hope these letters can help you to work on healing yourself or even to ask for the support you need. It is out there, I promise. Don't give up. So, this is the preface of this book, and we will continue these 30 letters in the next videos. So, till then, bye, take care, and please like if you if you like my video, and do subscribe so you will get the notification of new videos that I have posted. Till then, bye bye.